In this session, we will discuss how the EDI will create a website for us. So I would like to choose let Wix ADI create a website for us. So we have to answer few simple questions and automatically the website will be created within few minutes. So I would like to click on start now button. So click on start now. So it will take you to the ADI website creation. So it is an artificial intelligence. So it will design a website according to your requirement. So you have to give few information to it. So according to that, it will create your website. So here review and edit your information. So if any information is required, you can add it. So I will click on the next button. If you have a social account, you can add the social account. So here the question is pick a theme you like it. So we have some themes here, you can like it. These fonts and colors will be used in your design. So here clearly it is mentioning here these fonts and colors are used in your design site, and you can always change them later also. So we have clay, minimal, retro, clean and sophisticated and so on. So I would like to use a retro. We'll see how it looks like. So click on retro and then click on next. So it will take some time to prepare your home page using the retro design template. Yes, so we have few templates here. So pick your favorite home page design here. What kind of home page you need it here. So we have got three home pages here. This is the classic home page, and these two are other two options. So you can see this template, like we have we can scroll using the mouse and we can see how it looks like here. So whichever you like, you desire, you click on that. So I would like to click here the third option. So select the third option and I will click on the next options. If you like first one, you can choose first one. If you like second one, you can choose second one. So here I've chosen the third option. So we'll see how it works. So it can easily customize your colors, images and more, and later you can even edit it on your own. Yes, so add pages to your site here. So what are the pages you wanted? For example, you need a home page, about page, services page, inventory, contract, so frequently asked questions, and then team related pages. So these are the pages to your website. So I would like to add about page. So I'll select the about page. I would like to add service page. I will select the service page. Inventory, I don't want to do it, so I will click on the contact, frequency, frequently asked questions, and then I'll click on the team button. So it is a testimonial where you can add your photos, galleries and all. So if you want, you can add it. So even if you want inventories, you can add the inventories also. I'll click on edit the site. So click on edit the site. The site will be appearing here. So we will see how it looks like in the preview option. So I'll click on the preview button here. In the upside we have got the preview option. So click on the preview button. So we will see how your website looks like in the preview. So this is the preview option. So this is your website here. So we have not edited here, it just automatically created website according to our requirement. So this is the website which we have designed, and this is designed automatically based on our requirements. So we can still edit it. So we have a home page by default. So we have added the about page, we have added the contact page. So here in the section we can see home page will come along with the template. So we need to add these options. So we have selected here pages for our website. This is the about website and about page. This is contact, services, frequently asked questions, and then team we have added here. So we have not added in between. We have not edited anything here. So this is a template which we have created. It is created automatically. So we will edit and we will see how it looks like in the preview button. So I'll click on back to editor. So it will come back to editing option. So in the next class we will see how in detail we can edit this template which is created by the Wix ADI creator.